Hey guys, today I want to show you another more advanced way that you could get some weight bearing through your weaker arm. Now I call this advanced because in order to do what I'm showing you here, you need to be able to stand safely, at least just statically, meaning without moving in one position, either independently or with somebody spotting you. Um, and then if you have a lot of weakness in your affected arm, you're going to also want someone spotting you to help you hold that weaker arm in position against the wall. These are what I call modified wall push-ups, and I like to do this again with my higher level stroke patients who maybe still have quite a bit of weakness in their shoulder, that affected shoulder, but they have pretty decent balance and they're able to stand, right? Because anytime you're also standing, it's going to be a more dynamic movement. You're going to work your legs, your core, and that shoulder, right? So let me show you what I'm talking about, and hopefully you can see this. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go through this exercise as though my left arm, this arm here, is my affected arm. And just remember, if you have someone spotting you and standing by to help you with this exercise, always make sure they're standing on your weaker side, okay? So this is how it should look. You're gonna get roughly arm's length distance away from the wall, right? Now, with wall push-ups, the closer you are to the wall, the easier the exercise is going to be, right? Because it's a shorter distance, you're having to lean in and then press out. Start with arm's length, right? And then adjust from there. Further away, so if your feet are more at an angle and then you're coming down, it's really going to be hard. So start kind of in that middle range there with arm's distance to test it out, and then take it from there. Again, primary focus of this exercise is this is just another more advanced dynamic way you can get some good weight into that shoulder and your weaker arm. Okay, so you're going to take your affected arm here. um, you're going to have help and get your hand on the wall, and then the other hand, it's going to go, if everything is shoulder width apart, feet are hip distance. Again, if you need that support, and I recommend whoever's spotting you, they should be supporting you here at the elbow and here at the scapula, the shoulder blade, okay? And all you're going to do to test this out is gently bring your nose towards the wall, just do a few inches. And then what you're going to do is press yourself back to your starting position, okay? Now, this is your strong arm. This arm is going to help quite a bit. The goal here is for just allowing your weaker arm to get some weight into it, but also if you have some movement in this arm, this is going to allow your weaker arm to do whatever part it's able to do as it's guided through the motion, with the strong arm helping and then your support person also stabilizing you at the elbow and the shoulder, okay? So again, you are about arms distance away from the wall, feet and legs are hip distance apart. Get some help and have to get the arm in position if you need that. And then your hand, it should be lined, hand, wrist, elbow, and shoulder should all be in alignment. And then just slowly bend at the elbow and bring your nose and chest towards the wall. I usually just say your nose and then press back up. This again is going to fire up and ignite all those what we call proximal, meaning those shoulder stabilizer muscles that are close in, all the ones that tend to be a little bit weaker, especially in the beginning. These are the muscles that you really want to hone in on and get that strength going, okay? I hope this was helpful. Shoot me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see y'all next time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.